son of a bitch.
And that's the one going on YouTube.
Move. Center. Malfunction?
Something happened.
Okay. Stop it. What the fuck happened on that round?
That was a live round.
All scored up. Move. Right. Stand by. Clear it. Stand by. Move it. Center. Right. Good job. Well done. That was awesome. Stand by. Move. Left. Center. Right. Scan. You're good. A good way to scan, stay at the low ready and just shoot your head.
Just use your head, okay.
Yeah, because if you're scanning with your weapon and the target pops up
It's
to the
over
right,
there.
you're fucked.
Yeah.
Right? But if you're scanning to the left with your head and the target pops up to the right, your gun's already going there before your eyes get there. Right?
Yep.
Come on. Move.
Never,
Left.
never